Network panel shows the communication between the front-end app and the server. When something goes wrong, it's oftentimes the network panel that allows us to see the vital information. With Replay, all of the network communication is captured and can be examined in a great detail. Let's take a look at it. Back in my Replay DevTools, I can take a look at the network panel. I'm going to expand it, and I get the list of all of the network calls that have been made during the recording. This includes all of the static assets as well as the API calls. The red line that we can see down here indicates the point where we have stopped our replay. We can rewind back or fast forward to focus on the API call that we're interested in. Some of the lines don't show the rewind button. This is because they were loaded statically by our HTML file. The network panel looks very similar to the classic DevTools of Chrome or Firefox. And it has a lot of the same features as well. For example, clicking on a request will reveal some detailed information like URL, status code, request headers, and response headers. We can take a look at the request, examine the response, and even the stack trace, where we can see the reference to the file that has triggered this API call. When I click on it, it will open the purchase form file in the left panel. There's also the timings panel that allows us to examine the timed information about this request. The network panel allows you to filter your requests. For example, you can filter them by type. I can click to filter only the fonts, images, or XHR requests. Besides this, I can use the filter at the top of the panel and filter any request by its name or by status code, method, type, or any of the other attributes. By right-clicking on the top panel, I can hide or reveal some of the columns. Being able to examine the full scope of network communication can help a lot when debugging, for example, a test run on CI. The nature of Replay allows you to find race conditions caused by asynchronous operations, incorrect requests or responses, and much more.